Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Ford Mondeo sedan LX, stock reference number 4150. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 7th month 2009. It has a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.3 litre Duratec 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guarder piece to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front is a bald tyre, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and blue cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. It's got a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons, and we also have the rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.